Hey, thanks for tuning in. So in this series, I'll be exploring many aspects of the NitroBrew Kettle system. So the most important thing to note about these kettle systems is that you can use them in the comfort of your own home. Most popular for home use are our 12-ounce and 16-ounce home kits. These kits will include one kettle of either choice, a charger, and a compressor. So the most popular things, of course, are cold brew coffee, stout beers, and teas. However, all different types of coffee can be nitro brewed, as well as all different types of beer. For example, regular iced coffee or flavored coffee, IPAs, sours, or porter beers. In addition, teas, juices, cocktails, and other specialty drinks that taste very delicious on nitro. Please note, don't use any heavy pulps or thick milks in the NitroBrew kettles. Thanks for watching. See you next time.